Antingni cekrangni dakpebal geta una pandra aro bibalangci ko ya biapuna ramcak swenga.
After the demise of my father, I was a school dropout. So I thought that my life will end in Chapahati village itself.
Then you have a peace.
And his wife, Mrs. Ilaji Momin, all the respected ministers, government of Meghalaya,
We blame the politicians. Yes, everybody has their responsibility. But the problem again is not the problem that they are losing their lives. It starts much before that. It starts with the point where the mother is, conceives a child, and the different care that is given to them, the high risk mothers, so on and so forth.
Next year in America, if Trump wins his nomination, which he likely will, 2 80-year-olds will be fighting to be presidents of America. So age, the definition of age has now been changed. So Purno A Sangma would have been a very active, very powerful, mainstream pan-national politician. Because nobody.
You can always go back home and tune in again. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for coming all the way to visit us. Just matches his attire. There we have for you Gupta ji in our traditional jacket. And may I request the family members of late P. A. Sangma sir to
Agatha K. Sangma, Sri James Sangma, former Minister and Chairman MIDC, Vice Chancellor NEHU, Professor P.S. Shukla ji,